Welcome to week 4 of the course. Last week we took some time to talk about cell structure and function. We looked at the individual organelles that make up the inside of the cell and we talked about what their function was. We also looked at the structure of DNA, and the reason for that was to help us understand how cancer actually affects our cells. So cancer typically is caused by a change in the DNA sequence or the DNA structure, and things that do that to the DNA are called mutagens. This week we're going to take it a step further so that again we can better understand exactly what cancer is, and we're going to talk about how DNA is actually copied, how it's replicated inside cells. Now this is a very important process because DNA contains the information for everything that our cells need to do. So if we're going to produce new cells, which is going to need to take place anytime we're growing or we're replacing dying cells, when we do that, when we replace those cells, we need to copy the DNA. That process is called the cell cycle. That will be the overall preparation for producing new cells, which includes replicating the DNA. So we're going to take a look at that this week as well. Now, as you go through the material this week, you'll see that you have a number of videos to look through. You have some reading assignments, and we have 3 different question sets that you need to submit this week. We've got one lab that's going to touch on the structure and replication of DNA, and then we're going to finish it up with a quiz that covers all the question sets number 3 through number 7. If you have any questions at all, definitely reach out, let me know this week.